Well, more spins. I guess the next one definitely happening together with this guy. Hopefully, yeah, we can get something now. Well, that something preferably would be, of course, that crazy time once and for all. Yeah. Well, one time today we managed to hit it like back-to-back as well, crazy time. I was like more like in the morning. Oh, crazy time 25x. Come on. Where's the crazy time at? It's right there, ladies and gentlemen. It's right there. I cannot watch. I cannot watch. Can I watch? Yes! Come on, baby. Let's go. Crazy time 25x. Come on. You can definitely join me. You can join me, ladies and gentlemen, for the crazy world. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Strip, ladies and gentlemen. Netherlands, Dutch, whatever the case may be. 25x on top of the wheel here. But, well, ladies and gentlemen, also to choose one of them flappers. You got the line, baby. Oh, I mean, more gentle guys, you know. Okay, guys, we got some pretty on apple. This one more. 5,000 next is up. Or just skip the beats. Yeah, we're gonna dance to that beat all night long. Well, if we hit that 5,000 next, definitely, guys. Well, I gotta say, not on that green one. What amazing crazy time session we had. All the winners, what the multiply, 6,154 winners. I see you back at the wheel, guys. This is crazy.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.